Now we will talk about the anatomy of a command. All AutoCAD command works in a similar way. When you pick a command, keep an eye down at the command line because AutoCAD tells you what it needs. Select a line command by clicking on the line icon, for example. At the command line, you can see that AutoCAD is telling you what it needs to complete the selected command. Left-click to pick a point on your model space. Join me in picking extra points. Now, you can see that the command line words has changed. AutoCAD is not just asking for another point, but there are now sub-options in a square bracket. Sub-options are more options which are available inside an active command. Here are 3 ways to access sub-options. The choice is yours. One way is by typing the capitalized letter of the option. For example, to undo one segment, I'll type U and hit enter. Another way to access this option is by right-clicking and you will find the option right here in the menu. I'll still undo to go back one more segment. The last way, which is the easiest way to access this option, is to go down to the command line and click it. I will just click on close to close the shape. To relaunch previous command, click on the spacebar or enter key on your keyboard. While to exit any active command, press the escape key and AutoCAD will hold that command in its track.